Diyos mio, Diyos mio. Anong balak ba natin sa Pilipinas? Maging parking lot forever. I'm afraid to fly, and I don't know why. I'm jealous of the people who catch me, and then they let me fall, and now I'm falling fast again. What is up? Zip. Hyper na hyper ako. What is up mga soldiers, and welcome back to my channel. This is your guy, your average sneaker guy, Jopok. And welcome back to my channel. Marahil ay nagtataka kayo, sobrang traffic ngayon dito sa Metro Manila. Kasi meron ng coding ulit, tapos bumalik na yung mga sasakyan, and we're unti-unti tayong bumabalik sa normal. At pag sinabi kong normal na uli yung sneaker collection natin, di ba? Well, we just got a pair today, and medyo expect nyo na mga delay yung mga drops na aking fini-feature dito, just to give you some vibes, kasi syempre hindi ako nakapag-vlog before. So ito yung mga na-release na before, and binabalik lang natin. At karamihan dito hindi nire-review ng mga ibang sneaker vlogger. So eto, bigyan nyo ako ng pagkakataon para i-present ko sa inyo at ipakita sa inyo yung aking insight. It's the Jordan brand, and I'm excited to have this pair, pero mukhang i-unload ko naman siya after this review. And because meron tayo mas mga kailangan na funds for our health condition. So abangan nyo. This is our review of the Jordan 1 Low Pollen. I'm afraid to fly. Hello mga soldiers, ayan, welcome back. Medyo nag-iba yung ating outfit, no? After that, kasi ano ba? Wala lang, nainitan lang ako. Hindi, medyo nakurap yung first file natin, so yun lang ang na-save, yung sa intro. So ito, itutuloy na natin siya. I was about to vlog it and post it na. So ayan na nga, if you're Pollen, the Jordan 1 Low Pollen, ito na. Yes guys, this is it. This is the Jordan 1 box. Yeah, and of course, this is the Air Jordan 1 Low Pollen. As you can see, it's white, blank pollen ang kanyang colorway. At saka yun na nga, your typical Jordan 1 with the Jordan Jumpman logo in gold. So papatagalin ko pa ba to? Well, ayan. There's the tissue paper number 23, of course, the number of Michael Jordan. And yan na! Woo! Ket malu, no? So nice, no? I was parang iba siya in terms of pagdating sa pictures online, sa webs. And it has been something great na ganito yung design. Alam mo, marami talagang naghanap itong Jordan na to. So puntahan natin yung details niya. Let's take a look at the detailed specs and whatever na meron dito sa Jordan 1 Low na Pollen. Yes, this is the Jordan 1 Low Pollen. So nilagay ko dito sa dashboard, as you can see, at yung ating napakagandang G-Shock na makaka-turn na dito. Ang galing. Yes, ito yung Jordan 1 Pollen Low, just released recently last month. and November. So merong high, so alam nyo na yung pollen high, meron dyan. Tapos it's combination of black and parang university gold, no? So ang difference kasi nito, siguro sa photo, sa mga videos, nag-appear siya na yung yellow part is parang ano siya, medyo custard or mustard, ganon. Medyo close doon kasi yung mustard medyo pa-orange ang dating eh. But this one is parang golden siya. Ang hirap sabihin talaga pag sa video or photos eh. So ayan, yung hits of yellow nandyan. So the normal typical Jordan 1 and this battery toe box, ayan. So minsan iba-iba eh, no? It depends dun sa colorway na minamatch nila. So minsan combination of suede, nubuck, minsan nagkakaroon ng premium leather ang Jordan 1. So for me this is so nice, yung color combination, yung subtleness niya. And ayun nga, malupit lang. Start tayo sa traction niya. Grabe, sa outsoles tayo, no? Pabaliktad ako mag-review eh. Yan ang feeling ko ngayon. Ito, yes, the best ever traction ever of all time. So ayan yung Jordan 1 traction nandyan. So it's in yellow also. Ayan. So pollen, baka kala nyo pollen laglag or what. Pollen is yung parang yung sa honey, di ba? Sa flowers. Going to the midsoles, yan, your typical Jordan 1 na merong stitching and of course may air unit dyan sa loob. Hindi mo man siya maramdaman pero meron yan as you go along and as you break in the shoe, yung pair. So sa heel niya, ito, of course, the Wings logo, the original Air Jordan Wings logo, embroidered. Ito yung lateral side, as you can see in color blocking, white and of course the golden. So it's leather but hindi siya ganun ka-premium. Well, as you can expect sa isang $100 shoe, hindi ganun i-level up ni Jordan brand yung kanilang materials in terms of. But this for me is the ever great, ever. So hindi siya malalaos. Siguro hanggang tumanda kayo or tumanda tayo, yan pa rin ang pair na yan. So ayun nga, yung toe box niya is your typical Jordan 1 toe box. And yung sa lacing system niya, yung nag-overlap here, I think this is great leather. Pero tinanggal na talaga nila yung super exposed yung leather. I mean, ayan o, yung internals niya. And this comes with the flat laces. Wala siyang extra lace. Depende sa inyo. Marami namang aftermarket laces dyan na pwede yung eterno dito. Maybe a cream white can do also kasi yung tongue niya is white. And of course, the number 23 embroidered and the Jumpman logo at the tongue. So, ganun pa rin. The tongue is padded. And the insoles with the Jumpman logo. Sa medial side, same design with the lateral side, no? So the swoosh logo is there with the yellow pollen, and of course everything is stitched in. And the midsoles with the air unit inside. So very comfortable. So yes, this is it. The Jordan 1 pollen low. Jordan 1 low pollen. So you can cap this. Wala na sa stores, I think, no? So resale is going there mga around 8,000 pesos. Pinakamataas na resale and going down to 6,000 plus. So yeah. So ang ganda nitong pair na to. You can match it with everything. So papakita ko sa inyo yung on feet para lang syempre ma-appreciate nyo on how you can make the forma of this. Make the forma talaga. Super forma naman ako. And tulad ito, yeah, no? I'm matching it with my shirt and actually I'm wearing a black pants, no? Hindi, para acid black pants siya. Tapos of course Drew, Justin Bieber Drew logo with a yellow logo, and I have some mixed tie-dye bucket hat to match this pair. So yun na nga guys, thank you very much for being here again, and it's nice to be back. At least nakapag-vlog na ako ng dire-diretso, but still nagre-recover pa rin tayo, and we are actually under medication pa rin, but syempre positive lang tayo. Let's go and hit that like button, subscribe po kayo dito sa channel ko, and para ayun, let's help everyone. So thank you mga soldiers, and don't forget again to share your blessings, spread the love, and always keep safe. God bless everyone, and I'll see you on my next vlog. Ciao.